Breastfeeding is one of the most powerful ways to nourish your baby. But many moms worry, is my milk enough? Today's video will break down how to naturally boost your breast milk supply, the benefits of increased milk production, and simple tips and tricks that actually work. Whether you're a new mom or breastfeeding again, this video will give you clear, practical steps. Before we talk about boosting supply, let's understand why adequate milk production is so important. 1. Better baby growth. Breast milk contains the perfect balance of proteins, fats, vitamins, and antibodies your baby needs. Good supply means your baby gets complete nutrition. 2. Stronger immunity. Breast milk boosts your baby's immune system, reducing infections, allergies, diarrhea, and respiratory illnesses. 3. Healthy brain development. Milk contains DHA and fatty acids that help with brain growth and sharper cognitive development. 4. Helps mother's recovery. Breastfeeding burns calories, contracts the uterus, and reduces the risk of postpartum bleeding. 5. Long-term health benefits. Lower risk of breast cancer, ovarian cancer, diabetes, and postpartum depression. A healthy supply benefits both baby and mother. To boost milk, first understand how milk is made. Breast milk works on a simple rule: demand gives supply. The more often the baby feeds or milk is removed, the more milk your body produces. Milk production depends on baby's latch, frequent feeding, hormones, prolactin for production, and oxytocin for let down, mother's hydration and nutrition, stress levels, sleep. When these things are optimized, milk supply naturally increases. You may need to boost your supply if baby is not gaining weight. Very few wet diapers, less than 6 per day after 1 week old. Baby is always fussy after feeds. Breasts feel softer with almost no fullness. Pumping output is low. Remember, soft breasts don't always mean low milk. Mature milk feels lighter but still nutritious. Tip 1. Feed frequently, every 2 to 3 hours. Breastfeed 8 to 12 times in 24 hours. Even small frequent feeds signal your body to make more milk. Tip 2. Ensure correct latch. A poor latch means the baby isn't removing enough milk. Signs of a good latch: no pain, baby's mouth covers areola, you hear swallowing. Baby's cheeks are full, not sucked in. Tip 3. Try power pumping. Breast pump. Power pumping mimics cluster feeding. Do this once a day. Pump 20 minutes. Rest 10 minutes. Pump 10 minutes after 3 to 4 days. Supply noticeably increases. Tip 4. Skin to skin contact. Holding your baby skin to skin increases oxytocin, helping with letdown and boosting supply. Tip 5. Hydration is key. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water, coconut water, or, if dehydrated, warm soups. Avoid too much caffeine. Tip 6. Eat milk-boosting foods. Galactagogues. Some foods naturally increase milk supply. Fenugreek, methi, fennel seeds, saunf, oats, garlic, almonds, spinach, barley water, cumin seeds, dates, brewer's yeast, or lactation cookies. Make sure to have 1 to 2 a day, not everything at once. Tip 7. Don't skip meals. Your body needs energy to produce milk. Eat small meals every 2 to 3 hours with protein, fruits, and whole grains. Tip 8. Warm compress and massage before feeding. Use a warm cloth for 2 to 3 minutes, then gently massage the breasts in circular motion. This stimulates milk flow and increases letdown. Tip 9. Switch nursing technique. Feed from one breast, then switch to the other, then switch back again. This increased stimulation boosts production. Tip 10. Reduce stress and sleep when possible. Stress affects hormones, lowering milk supply. Do deep breathing, listen to music, or take help from family. Even short naps help. To keep your milk supply strong, avoid long gaps between feeds, smoking, or alcohol, excess caffeine, hormonal birth control pills, dehydration, tight bras, or pressure on breasts. Ignoring pain or cracked nipples can reduce feeding. If you feel persistent pain or supply issues, get help from a lactation consultant. If your doctor approves, you can take fenugreek capsules, milk thistle, fennel supplements, lactation teas. Always check with your doctor first. Every woman's body is different. So that's how you can naturally and effectively boost your breast milk supply. Remember, breastfeeding is a journey. Every mom is different. Every baby is different. With the right techniques, hydration, and support, your supply can improve significantly. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with other moms. See you in the next one.